In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok birthday problem in less than 1 minute. First thing you want to do, guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and then go into the TikTok and click on the storage or the internal storage right here. As you can see on this page, all what you want to do here is click on clear data and click on delete. After that, click on clear cache and go back, click on the power usage details and then make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. Now all what you wanna do is reopen TikTok and re-sign up or log in, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.